Today's April 13th, 2019, and this is episode 102 of PlaneSavers. Well, good morning, everybody. It is now day 3 out here at the Montreal Saint-Hubert airport, the DC-3. So yesterday's episode, we were hoping to get these wings off. It's still pretty early in the morning. The wind is, the forecast is saying it's going to be pretty windy for the next 3 days. The wind has kind of died down right now. You can see well, I can't really see because it's GoPro. GoPro can't focus that much. The windsock is not moving that much. And you can tell there's barely little wind noise. So we got a bunch of extra new volunteers came in today. Stella just got them all safety trained. And we are going to hopefully get the wings off before it gets windy in the evening, as one of the commenters on YouTube told me that's why crop dusters crop dust in the morning, is because of the wind. And I never knew that. So hopefully if you're a crop duster and you're watching this, that is accurate. But yeah, so we had not the best day yesterday, and I want to thank the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of positive comments and suggestions and everything. You guys are rock stars. Oh, there goes my phone. Here's Stella calling. I'll answer this and we'll get back to fixing the airplane.
We're good to go. 500 more cranks.
So what are you doing right now?
Taking off the engine mounts. Thank God the bolts are coming out. Except the ones in the little corners there are hard to get access to. There's rivets in the way. I don't know how they assemble this thing. You want to try the little, the one in the corner there? The troublemaker?
I think it's gonna be fine for this one.
Sorry?
I think it's gonna be easier.
Yeah? Okay. Except I can't get the socket on this thing. Hang on.
So we got all the mounts off now?
Got all the mounts off. Your uncle says he's got new mounts. So we're hooking up the propeller, feathering oil pump, and its lines. The new one. Just took the old one off.
So this is the first new part, or the first
new old part
that is being installed on the airplane. Pretty big.
Putting on this awesome plane here.
So folks, if you don't know, this is an electric driven feathering pump. So if the engine fails, you need to be able to feather the pump or feather the prop, and that is handled by electricity as a backup system. And there we go. So that's the first part on the airplane. We're on day 3, first part. She's starting to come together. We're still hoping to get the wings off. Stella is gone to Canadian Tire to get some chain. We got the modified forklift, enhancing the forklift. Another thing, we got Pierre's up in the cockpit. And Pierre was actually the first person ever interviewed on PlaneSavers, and he is a teacher at the most wonderful school in the world, ANE, École Nationale Aerotechnique. I still got to get the accent down a bit, but they've been absolutely amazing over there. I'm going to go in and do a tour. Everybody that's thinking about being a plane saver in the future, think about going to school, especially if you are know French, because this is amazing, and all the equipment they have. So again, that's a super plug to the school, and Pierre, who's up there solving some of the world's biggest mysteries, avionics.
Well,
so
we need to drain the oil out of that line. There's full of oil. I don't want to turn bad enough as it is.
Yeah, some guys will walk around with their hood up and you can't see it. That's normal. No matter how cold it is, you don't want to have your hood up. You'll walk right into the prop. And then you got to change the damn prop.
What are you up to, Stella?
I am looking at these nice black spray painted windows where we have to remove the paint from.
What's your thoughts?
Well, these two, especially that one's quite a bit, but this one's not so much, so maybe I start with this one. And then I have to look at that one
We got Benoit here working on the air stair door, and the one thing Benoit taught me was, I thought this was the Canadair mod, but this was actually the Transport Canada air stair mod. When this airplane flew for TCA, Trans-Canada Airlines, which was Air Canada, it didn't actually have an air stair because they actually used passenger ramps and stuff. So that's more you know. So air stair door is not original. It's not even sub-original. It's tertiary original. Oh, and there's Ronnie. And Pierre, how's it going up in the cockpit?
Oh, there are good things and bad things, and we hope to fix everything in time. So we'll do our best to have this thing operational in 2 months. So.
Oh, I put makeup on the camera.
Well, Ronnie's modified the wing sling. We are waiting for a break in the wind. The wind, it goes in waves, and right now it's bad. But hopefully in about 10-15 minutes we get a break, and then we'll drop the wing, because we just got to drop it pretty quick. So pray for some good stuff, because the forecast is saying this wind is going to get even worse. So while it's kind of relatively mild, we're going to try to do it right away. So Benoit, how did everything go here?
Everything is going well. Now we are going to remove the chain, and after what we are going to do probably is just to pull out the door. We will remove all bolts from behind, but they are a little stuck, so it should take perhaps around 30 more minutes, and we will get this out.
So Benoit, you got the door off?
Yes, someone told me to take the door, so this is what I did.
Merci beaucoup.
My pleasure.
Okay guys, a little bit of an update here. I'm going to try to block that wind. It is actually forecasted to get worse for the wind and rain and storm the next couple days. So we are set up now to take the left-hand wing off the DC-3, but the problem is the wind. It is going in cycles, so we're ready to go if we hit a dead spot.
Hey, you want to kill me?
Back your van here.
Yes.
And just, I want to throw a strap over the wing. Okay.
No problem.
What's the dangers, Ronnie?
Well, it might fly away in the wind. These winds, eh? I don't want it to fly away.
Big step for the airplane. What you thinking?
I think this is really an achievement, because from where the plane was 2 years ago and where it is now, in just 2 days, a lot has been done. And really congratulations to everybody who is on the team. This is really, really good teamwork. I'm really impressed. Thank you.
I go on top of the wing to unbolt.
Yeah, I'm going there too. I need your ratchet here. Oh, I got one. That one don't, take that one out. And then we'll work our way back. Sure. Yeah.
Il y a un bucket là.
Let's get her down close to the ground. We're gonna need everybody to hang on to it.
Okay.
Until we get her down close.
Okay, but which tires?
Just anything, a wooden pallet, just any of those tires over there.
Benoit, what's happening?
It's a little windy, and the wing is doing what she's designing for, so she's trying to fly away.
tires put here? Oh, here, just wait. Wait.
Okay, folks, we got the wing off. This is amazing. I was on the forklift. Thank you, Stella, for taking over GoPro duties. Look at that. Geez, that might make a good thumbnail. Yeah, I'm going to take the thumbnail for the video right here. And a quick shout out to everybody from New Zealand. Fred's Toolbox here has the Silver Fern. So thank you to all the support from New Zealand. You guys are, it goes, okay, for the views, it goes US, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. So you guys are number 5. So thank you, New Zealand. Yeah, hope you guys like the wind coming off. Very stressful with that wind, but super happy. So what's going on over here?
New old mounts are going in. We have a system, and it's going pretty good.
It's going good.
Yeah.
You get Mount Crew.
Mount Crew, fantastic. We're almost done. Then we're going to turn it to the oil cooler crew. See how far we get with that.
Yes, that's right, folks. The right-hand wing is off too. Today was a good day. Oh, day 3, super amazing, folks. I want to thank all the volunteers that showed up today, and not thanking the wind. Hopefully, maybe that stops some of the wind noise. Sorry about the wind noise, folks, but today was a good day. Thank you for joining us today. Woo. And tomorrow is another day. We're going to start getting ready to hang the engines, folks, so we'll see you tomorrow.